Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sade. If you haven't visited me before, thank you for stopping by. I am in Vietnam and I spent the last 2 nights in Hanoi. If you haven't checked out that video yet, click on this link right up here. We had a blast. I'm a little hungover, I must say, this morning. We did some heavy drinking, but there's one recipe that always helps for hangovers, and that is ocean and beautiful views. So take a look. Look at where I am. We're in Halong, guys, Halong Bay. I booked a cruise tour for 1 night and 2 days. So we're gonna be exploring all of Halong. We're gonna be doing some kayaking. We're gonna visit some caves, a local fishing village, take some cooking classes. So I'm super excited for this trip. I think it's gonna be unique and fascinating, and I mean, I get to wake up to this for the next 2 days. So I'm really excited. Let's get the day started. I hope you guys enjoy it. I forgot I got my roomie. Hey roomie. Hey roomie. All right, now that I've given you guys an introduction, I wanna do a quick room tour. It's really beautiful. Here's the bathroom. Pretty simple, nice toilet, basic shower. This is gonna be my view for the next 2 days.